we're taking care of this plant because it was covered. Mommy, I need a stethoscope. That didn't sound right. Let's try it. Sounds like it needs some water. Give me the water.
Oops.
Get a lotion. This is the devil's ivy. Only need water once a week, but once a month, a little fun. Make sure you water your plants.